guitar drill that we have just seen, we have actually combined 4 different things, and we are going to take them one after the other. The first is the key pattern. The second is the diagonal movement, which is a very important movement when it comes to guitar. The third is the picking pattern. In this pattern, we have the down, up, DU, DU, and then we have the finger movement. So to go straight to our lesson, we'll start with the key patterns. In the key patterns, we started with the E, which is the open open key. Then we played A sharp, E again, and then A sharp. You can see the pattern. E, A sharp, E, A sharp. Then we went to the second fret, F, B, F, B. You can see the way the guitar is arranged. Then we went to F sharp, C, F sharp, C. That's simply what we are playing. Then we went to the G. Then we have G going with C sharp, G, C sharp. A, D sharp, A, D sharp. So this is a simple key pattern that we have demonstrated. So we have the E. Look at the screen. We have displayed the fretboard. So we have E, which is the open string, going with A sharp, E, A sharp. Then we move to the next one, F, B, F, B, F, B, F, B. Then we went to F sharp, G, F sharp, C, F sharp, C. Then we went to the G, and in this G pattern, we have C sharp, G pattern, C sharp. So G, C sharp, G, C sharp. Then we have G sharp, D, D sharp, D. So that's simply what we have. And you will see the first start is open. E, A sharp, E, A sharp. So that's what simply what. So as you go, you see that there's a key pattern. That is the first thing we have learned in this simple picking pattern. And it is very important when we know key pattern, because you know that when you are playing your G here and you come here, this is also your G. And you will see the finger pattern. You see, that's what we are playing. So the finger pattern of 1, 2, 3, and 4 is also helping us to keep those keys, the key pattern, intact. So we know that this is the same key. Even without knowing what key it is, you already know it's the same key. So that's one thing that we have learned in this in this simple pattern that we have just demonstrated. So we can even make it faster. That is one. The second thing that we have demonstrated by this simple pattern, please do subscribe, do write a comment, do like our videos and share. And the second thing we have done in this simple pattern is we have demonstrated a very simple pattern in guitar, which is the diagonal movement. No, the vertical movement in guitar. This is the vertical. Now this is the horizontal. So this is the vertical. Going down, going up is the vertical. Then we have going, sideward from left to right and from right to left. That now is the horizontal. But in this pattern, we have added another movement, which is the diagonal. You see, we have moved diagonally. And this diagonal movement, we can also take it the way we are taking the vertical from up, the horizontal from down to up and from down and from up to down. We can also take the diagonal from this part, from the left here, right to the right, and from the right down to the left. What do we mean? Okay. You see how we have done it? So that is another thing we have learned by going diagonal. And this diagonal, we said, we can also go back. You can give it a pattern. You can give it a pattern. And please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like our videos and share them as we give more of our patterns and the things we're learning. Now, the third skill that we have learned from this simple picking pattern is that we have learned the down, up picking pattern. Okay, what do we mean? This is down, this is down, this is up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, up, down. So now the focus is here on the picking side. We have all been doing here. That is the finger positioning to determine the key. Now is the picking to bring out the sound. And this is what we are doing now. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down. It does not matter whether we are coming, diagonally down or diagonally up. is the same pattern. Down, up, down, up. Where D stands for down and U stands for up. So this is the pattern. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So now let's combine it. Down, up, down, up, up. So that is another thing we have learned from this simple, straightforward finger drilling. We have also learned that movement. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you can always create a pattern, enjoy the pattern. Now you can increase it. Then you slow it again. You see that? Just to give it some rhythm so that it's not very boring and you are playing just one continuous pattern every time. By so doing, we go to our fourth thing that we have learned and what this finger drill aims at teaching us. The fourth thing is the finger movement. Finger movement. Because the secret of guitar is finger movement. There is no other secret. Because if your fingers do not move, the guitar will not move. So the secret of a guitar is the finger movement. And that is our fourth skill. And this finger movement is not only what happens here, but you see how to coordinate the picking at the same time with the finger position. So you see we are coordinating the two. So just the finger coordination, the finger movement, so that once the finger is able to move, and then there's a coordination between the left and the right hand, you are good to go as far as guitar is concerned. So always vary it, enjoy it, thanks to the finger movement. That's all. So in summary, we have done practically four things. The first, please do not forget to subscribe, is key patterns, where we have recognized that there is a pattern. The key that is here, as in this case, this is F, so this is B, so this will automatically be F, and this will be B. So we have recognized this finger pattern, the key pattern, sorry. We have recognized that there's a key pattern in this exercise. it runs across the fretboard. Then secondly, we have also recognized that there is a diagonal movement. You see that? And by saying there's a diagonal movement here, we are distinguishing diagonal movement from from the vertical movement, which is going up or down in this way, and the horizontal movement, which is running within the same fret, but from one string to the other within the same fret. So in our diagonal movement now, we're able to distinguish it easily because it's different from the vertical movement, it's different from the horizontal movement. So we have also done vertical movement. And this is very key when it comes to manipulating our keys, which will be going to that as we progress. And then the third thing that we have just done was the finger, the picking. And in this case, we have done down, up, down, up. In this case, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So this is the down, up, down, up. It could be different, but in this, our lesson, we have focused on down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up. And last but not the least, which is a summary of everything, we have focused on finger movement, finger coordination, finger movement, all put together. Please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like our video. Do not forget to show up for our next class. Write a comment and please request the type of patterns you wish us to play. We are always together. Until next class, thank you for staying with us and see you. Ciao.